Hey everyone, in this visual we will learn how to hide the total for a specific column in the matrix visual in Power BI. So for example, I've got this matrix visual here with me and it's got the product alternate key, sales amount, freight and extended amount. And maybe we want to hide the total for extended amount, but we want to keep the total field for sales amount and freight. So there's one way to do it and I'll just show you that. So you select the tablix visual or the matrix, and then you go to the paintbrush icon once you've got it selected. And in this, you go to the specific column option. So you go down on the visual tab. So it's got two tabs here. You can see visual and general. We select the visual tab and then you go down and then you click on the specific column. So once you've got this selected, you select what you want. So it'll show you all the columns. So because we want extended amount to not display, we'll select extended amount and then we'll just keep everything off except for the apply to total. And here we will just change this to white, which matches with the background color. So when I click white, you can see that this has gone away. And essentially what is happened is that we've made it the same color as the background. So if your background is black and your text is white, then you want to change the text color to black. So you essentially want your text color for the field that you want to remove to have the same font color as the background. So I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers. Bye.